Hello friends, I am Shrey and today we'll learn about functions in C language. Functions is a self-contained block of statement that perform a specific sort of task. There are mainly two types of function, library functions and user-defined functions. Library functions are the predefined functions which are mentioned or are stored in a library and are already mentioned in the header file which a user includes. While a user-defined functions are functions which are mentioned by the users while writing the code. Here in the given example, main is the library function or the predefined function as you can see. And here itly is the user defined function as it is defined by the user, and when a function can be called n number of times in the program. So all variables declared in functions are local variables. They are known only in the function in which they are defined. The components of the functions are function definition, function prototype, and function calling. Here, in the mentioned note, function name, that's valid user-defined identifier, return value is the data type of the return of the result. By default, this return value type is int, that is 0, 1, and in further slides, we'll learn more about the return value. So returning control to the calling function. A control is returned when the function ending is with brace. Return also passes control to the calling function, that is the end of the function which is called. If a function returns a result to the calling function, the function is called to be returning function. There are generally four types of function, that is when no argument is passed and there is no return value, while a argument is passed and there is a return value, while no argument is passed and there is a return value, and argument is passed and there is a return value with it. Here is the syntax of return function. Int main, then declaration, that's normal function we say, and here it's the return 0. So here the return value of main is int. So here we go with function prototypes. A function prototype tells the compiler the type of data returned, number of parameters the function will receive, data types of parameters, order in which these parameters are expected. The compiler uses functions prototypes to validate function cells. A function call that not match a function call that not match the function prototype causes a syntax error. The function prototype must match the function definition. Here, in functions, there are more two types. That's call by value and call by reference. When we call a function by passing out a certain value, it is called to be a call by value function. When arguments are passed, call by value, a copy of the argument's value is made and passed to the called function. Changes to the copy do not affect an original variable's value in the calling function. So here is the example. Here we are finding out the factorial of an integer which a user prints out. So here it's first the int factorial int. Here it's the defined function, that's factorial. The main is the predefined function. As we can say, first value of an integer whose factorial is to be found out is taken from the user. Then a function factorial with a certain passed value, that's a call by value function, is taken out, and here it's the function prototype int factorial. Function definition is the main body part of the user defined function, that's this, as you can see this, and int factorial int number, and it's the logic of the program as we can see all. Here we go to the next, that's the recursion. Recursion of a function is a function that calls itself through another function. That's in recursion, a function is called by itself through the predefined condition. In simple words, recursion is a programming technique that allows the programmer to express operations in terms of themselves. and the recursion program is stopped due to predefined conditions. Here is an example of recursion program. So here it's the same program, factorial program is taken out through recursion. So here we quit with the functions video. Okay, thank you.